Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Braintree Town, local and long-distance movers near me. Our Braintree Town local TM movers can carry out a short-distance move with ease and skill by planning it thoroughly and carrying it out in a structured manner. Do you intend to relocate 50 miles away or just within Braintree Town? For the best move you'll ever experience, come to us right away to discuss your relocation. Our crew will make sure to double-check that all of your belongings are in our truck or van based on how much of your stuff there is to move, as it will only take a few hours to travel a short distance. If you have any valuables or special equipment, we will make sure they are well maintained. We offer a prompt service, and the security of your possessions is always prioritized. We have a lot of local knowledge about Braintree Town, particularly the most efficient routes to take to get you where you need to go quickly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Braintree Town moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form